Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Business Every Day. Yes, I missed a few days because I was out sick for a little bit, but we are almost back to full health and we are ready to continue the guitar stand build. What is left to do is we need to do the final sanding, we need to give it an oil finish, and then there is felt pads that I need to add to this stand so that it does not scratch up the guitar once it is all complete. So let's jump right on in and get to that sanding. So I've decided to go extra personal on this item, and before I put some finish on this thing, I'm going to do some laser engraving with my name and the name of the guy that I'm giving this to. So I think I'm going to put it on the back here, so just right here. So I'm going to mock up a little logo, and yeah, then I will pull out the engraver and throw it on here. Now that I have created my file, I have imported it into LaserGurble. Now I just need to figure out how I'm going to get the laser on top of this, and yeah, go from there. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that versus that. And so, time to do the real thing. Smoky. I'm a little over the top impressed on how this all things worked out. The Ortur laser is very versatile, and I mean, I have it propped up even, so that's pretty cool to make it work for my situation here. I mean, if you look at it, I was able to just take the laser because it's so light and easy and just make it work with my material. Like, that's pretty awesome. And LaserGurble did a really good job as well, and all the code processed. And so, yeah, that's awesome. You think so? Yeah, I think so. There you have it. It's a little off center, but I think it's going to work. Do you like it, Maya? I think, is it you're approved? Yeah. It's your approved. Okay. One of my absolute favorite things to use, boiled linseed oil. This will be our finish. And I think it's going to look nice. Yeah. Look at that. Yep. This is going to be real nice. No. What? You can't have linseed oil. No. Now that the main body has been oiled and is finished, now I just need to add the felt to this to make sure that the guitar stays protected. So let's do that now. Well, there you have it, my friends. Another build in the books, and I'm super excited how this thing turned out. I mean, it looks pretty nice, and hopefully my student will get plenty of use out of it, and it will stay solid for him for a long time. Thank you so much for joining in. We will catch you on the next build.